Hey guys, Matt with TopHap here. Today we're talking about schools. Most buyers, even buyers that don't have school-age kids, are concerned at least a little bit about school districts. And some people are very concerned about getting their kids into a very specific school. Well, TopHap actually allows you to search within a school boundary for specific properties. Check it out. In this case, I'm looking at a map of Danville and Alamo, California. And there are two high schools very close to each other, Monte Vista High School and San Ramon Valley High School. If I was looking to buy a house that put my children in one or the other school, all I need to do is go up to the search bar in the top left corner. If I want my children to go to Monte Vista High School, I type in Monte Vista High School. This brings up the boundary of the high school. And if I have listings turned on, I can see all of the houses that are available to purchase. As you can see, the boundary runs all over the place. So if I didn't have this boundary specifically highlighted, it would be very difficult for me to know where exactly these listings were. If I wanted my children to go to San Ramon Valley High School, I type in San Ramon High School, and the boundary appears with all of the listings. The two boundaries for these high schools fit together kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. So again, if you don't have the boundaries highlighted, it's going to be very difficult to know exactly which high school your student would be going to. But this doesn't just work for Monte Vista and San Ramon, it works for every school. So if you have your heart set on a specific school district or a specific school within that district, just use the search bar in the top left corner, put in the school name, and then find all of the listings that would send your child to that grade school. I hope you enjoyed the video, but remember, TopHap does a lot more than just help you find schools in a certain area. So to learn more, please check out our other videos.